It was the last days of the USSR. The wolves were at the gates, and Moscow was about to fall. There was only one way for the Soviet nation to snatch victory from the jaws of defeat. They needed to erase the man most responsible for the scientific superiority of the capitalist pigs, the man who made them invincible, Albert Einstein. Using a revolutionary yet untested new time travel technology, 3 glorious Soviet patriots journeyed into the past to eliminate the greatest scientific mind of the 20th century. In this brave new future, the motherland is now the aggressor, and the countries allied against us are on the brink of extinction. But in their determination to defeat one mortal enemy, they inadvertently spawned a new, far more dangerous adversary, the nightmarish technology cult known as the Empire of the Rising Sun. While we and the Allies battled amongst ourselves, the Empire secretly built an immense army, which they have now unleashed upon us both.
The only thing I can say about that is, oh, snap.
Good luck saying no to this face.